Okay, yeah, here it is. So we got a tiny little problem. So yeah, the lid, the whole thing just fell down, and now we kind of have to replace that. So yeah, let's do that.
Safety first.
Now it's off.
Yeah, now it's off.
So here's the one we're gonna be installing today. Yeah.
It's Barlast from IKEA.
Here it has two locks. This means locks, this means unlocked. So we gotta turn it a little. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, as you can see here, there is no ground here. There's just neutral and there's live, which we have also a ground. While here we also have a ground on this one. So we're gonna have to isolate that one with some tape. Okay, so from here the screws are gonna go, and then through here the wires. So we here in the instruction it says that we have to mark the place for the screws with something sharp. We're using like a very sharp screwdriver, so yeah. Just go. Mark one. So, last one. There's actually plastic here, so yeah, you can't fully go through. Okay. Yeah, no. Okay, now also this one for the wires.
Okay.
Okay, and now the only thing that's gonna be left for us is to connect the wires for the electrics, and then we're gonna have to install the thing.
No, first we need to screw it to the...
Yeah, I meant that.
And we need to make some holes.
Yeah.
See. Okay, now we take this and we need to make 3 places where we will use our connection.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's straight.
Let's go.
Need a hammer?
Yeah.
Here.
Screwdriver.
Yeah, 1 second. Give me.
Next one. Almost done.
Oh!
Wow.
Hooray!
Yeah.
Ta-dam!
All me, by the way. All
We
me.
did this. And last.
I did. Last part.
Where is the lock?
Here it is. Wait, I didn't fully.
Oh yeah, it's locked.
Sure.
Okay, let's test it. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.